Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Simple, beautiful, and so very elegant. I love the 1-inch beveled design of this mirror. Whether I'm taking the time to slow down and spend time with my children to make those wonderful, long-lasting memories, or if I want to give myself some pampering time, this mirror definitely met my expectations and so much more. The installation was super easy. They provided some of the most necessary tools, and it was so satisfying to reveal this beautiful, clear image. I especially appreciate the versatility of it. I can hang it horizontally or vertically, which I actually changed my mind twice about this face. I'm so very happy I decided to go with this mirror. This packaging was amazing. I can tell that the company really cared. So if you're looking for a new elegant mirror, I would go with TokeShimi for your new vanity space.
And that's my point of view.